Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how are you all? I hope all are doing good. So today's video I will show you the most beautiful room decoration. So please guys, don't forget to share my video with your friends, families, and guests, and more people. So let's start it without wasting any time. So let's start it. You can see this picture. It is like a Spider-Man picture, but it is a decoration of wall. It is looking very beautiful, brother. And you can see this one also, brother, the lamp, two lamps and three windows. Not windows, sorry, this is mirrors, yeah. Three mirrors is there, and decoration is very nice. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the golden, maybe 24, 25 carat. Beautiful shower, looking beautiful, very it is looking very nice. Also decoration is very beautiful. You can see this one also, the map is there of UAE, Dubai, America, Pakistan, everyone from every country is there. The decoration is nice, it is looking very beautiful. You can see this one also, very beautiful decoration. The window mirror you can see in the back, you can see the lights and the fan, you can see the flower. It is looking beautiful. It is maybe VIP, it is maybe bedroom, yeah. And you can see this one also, the VIP bedroom. You can see for each person two lights are there. One person one lamp, and two another person another lamp. And you can see this decoration is very nice in every picture, because you can see the sticks they put simply here and there, and the decoration made looking beautiful. And you can see this one also is very beautiful. You can see the mirrors looking very beautiful, the size, front, and you can see the down, you can see the horse, maybe something it is there. It is also looking very beautiful. And you can see the gaming screen looking very beautiful. So if you like guys, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, to entertain me, I will bring most beautiful videos for you. So you can see this one also very beautiful. This is simply a drawing. I don't know what decoration for this one they did, and they put in the photos. And you can see this one also, the backside light. It is looking like a big stone came and break the wall, and the stone is only there. And you can see this one also, something happened to this also, looking beautiful. Looking very beautiful, great picture, looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also looking beautiful. The design, decoration, everything is very nice. So if you can see this also, the wall decoration I like beautiful. The wall decoration is very beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. The wall decoration and the sticks in the bolt. And you can see this one also, the two candles. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.